there, I'm Mariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a face mask with filter pocket. This is an easy pattern that you can make in less than an hour. You can find the child size pattern on my blog, Crafting Happiness. I will link it up in my description. I use 100% cotton yarn. This is a Turkish brand. I don't really remember where I bought it from. But any cotton yarn will work, and a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. You will also need scissors and a tapestry needle to weave in the ends. To begin, chain 67. Then single crochet in a second chain from the hook, and in the following 43 chains. And this is your first row. This part of the chain will go around your ear and will be connected at the end. Chain 1 and turn. On the second row, we will make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and next we will make 26 double crochet. Then make 3 half double crochet, and 6 single crochet. And 6. Chain 1, and this is your second row. Turn and make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Next, we will make 26 double crochet in the back loop of the stitch. So as you can see from the top, the stitch has 2 loops. The front loop, which is this one, and the back loop, which is this one, and we will be crocheting our double crochet stitches in this back loop. And just make 26 double crochet in a back loop only. And this is how it looks like. And you can see the front loops exposed, and this is the point where we're going to attach and start working on the insert after the mask is completed. Now continue to crochet as normal and make 3 half double crochet. Followed by 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 1, and this is your third row. Turn and continue with the fourth row by making 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then 3 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then make 26 double crochet, and they are crocheted as normal through the entire stitch. And now make 3 half double crochet. Followed by 6 single crochet. And 6. Chain 1, and this is your fourth row. Rows 5 to 12, which are the next 8 rows, are a repeat of row 4. And this is how the mask looks like after I completed the 8 rows. And now turn, and we will continue with row 13 by making 6 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we will make 3 half double crochet. So that is 1, 2 and 3. Next, make 26 double crochet in a back loop only. So like I said, you will insert your hook in this back loop only, and you will crochet your double crochet as usual. And again, you will see the front loops exposed, and this is where we're going to connect the inner insert. Next, make 3 half double crochet, and they are crocheted as normal through the entire stitch. Followed by 6 single crochet. So we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one 6. Then chain 1, and this is your 13th row. Row 14 starts with a single crochet in the very first stitch, and then single crochet in every single stitch until the end of the row. And this is how the outside of the mask looks like completed. And on the inside you can see the front loops exposed to where we're going to crochet the pocket. But before that, we will make the ear loops on the side. So don't fasten off, just continue by chaining 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And now we're going to connect it on the other corner. So just insert your hook in the corner, pull up a loop, and pull that loop through the stitch. And then we're going to cut the yarn. We'll leave a loop, a tail, so we can weave it in and just pull through. And this is one of the ear loops. On the other side, we already crocheted the ear loop. All we have to do is use a darning needle like this one and sew it onto the top of the mask on the opposite corner. So we're gonna sew it right here in this corner. So just pull until it's connected and just make a few stitches back and forth to make sure it's securely connected to the mask. And then once you secure it to the mask, just make a few stitches at the back to weave in the end and making sure it's not going to unravel when you wash it. So go underneath and above and then underneath again. Just do that a couple of times and then cut the yarn. And this is what we have so far. Now we're going to work on the inside pocket. Make a slip knot. And now we're going to join the slip knot in the first front loop at the bottom. So insert your hook in that front loop and then through the slip knot and pull through. And now we are going to chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet. And to make it easier, just flip this first double crochet row down to expose the front loops, and just double crochet in each of the front loops. So make 25 double crochet, and in total you will have 26 because you chain 3 at the beginning, and that counts as a double crochet. And this is how your first row of the inside pocket looks like, and you can see it's being attached to the mask. The next 8 rows are double crochet rows, so just double crochet in each of the stitches. Turn and chain 3, and that counts as your first double crochet, and then just double crochet in each of the stitches for a total of 26 double crochet. And this is how the inner pocket looks like so far after completing all 8 rows. And now we are going to connect it to the top part where we have the exposed front loops. So take your hook off the loop and insert it in the first front loop, and then pull the loop through. And now we are going to slip stitch through both the pocket and the front loop. So insert your hook in the next stitch, and then in the next loop and slip stitch through. And just continue like so until the end of the row. And this is how it looks like. We're gonna to cut the yarn and we are done. And all you have to do is weave in these two ends. And this is how the mask looks like once completed. I weaved in the ends. You have the pocket right here where you can insert the filter, and you can adjust the ear loops to fit your face, and this is how it looks from the front. And this is how you crochet a face mask under 1 hour. Stay safe and happy crocheting!